This is Ashok Bhargava, Boorugu and Company. We do in trading B2B products. We are representing more than 15 plus companies. We are doing 100 plus crore turnover company and we are active accounts of 400. And especially thanks for Hybiz, Rajgopal Garu, Hybiz, Chaitanya Garu. Very thanks Hybiz Kanksha. And HIPLEX, I am an organizer and as the stall owner, I am the gold sponsor. Every time when HIPLEX or any B2B meets is conducting TAPMA, always encourages me. My career was started here by 9 square meters. Today I am the gold sponsor. I feel always proud. Next year I maybe become diamond sponsor and I am looking for Hybiz for dedicatedly to work with me. And we are working in PVC, all type of verticals like pipes, fittings, cables, soft industry, foam board, UPVC windows, and as well as PEPP raw materials and coating industry. And we are the Goldman Sachs Group Flint Ink distributor है. और इसके लिए कोई न्यू B2B products we are always 24/7 just a phone call away. Thank you Tapma, thank you HIPLEX.
Saujanya Bhargava, Mrs. Ashok Bhargava. We are dealing with 20 plus companies. I almost అన్ని నేను చూసుకుంటాను. బ్యాక్ ఆఫీస్ వర్క్స్ నేను చూసుకుంటాను. ఆల్వేస్ ఈజ్ బిజీ. యా దట్స్ ఇట్ అంతే.